Hi guys, it's Chris here. Just wanted to do a little bit of a market overview really, just so you guys can see how I think when I'm trading, and hopefully it will help some of you. So I'm just looking here at the New Zealand dollar, US dollar on the daily charts. You've had this nice downward movement and you've got a few ABCs here coming down, lower lows and lower highs, a lower high there. And all of a sudden you've got this zigzag up, which has given us a higher low. After all these lower lows, you've had lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, and then all of a sudden we've got a higher low. So, you've got to start thinking, let's have a look at this. All the time, even from back here, we've been getting this divergence happening on the ends of these, on the B points there, on the lower lows. And divergence is a sign the market could be changing direction. So it's been diverging for like a long time now. So we've kind of almost been waiting for a reversal to start happening. And now we've got this higher low that's happened here. So that's kind of, a few alarm bells are starting to ring. So we've got the divergence happening, we've got this higher low, and let's just have a look what else is happening. The trend line across there. We've got that 1, 2, 3 points of touching, and this daily candle, look, we're going to have to wait to see where it closes today at the end of the day, but if it keeps on in this momentum, then it should close above this trend line, which is then our next signal or our next indication that perhaps we're going to hit the trend reversal. Next thing to look out for is if we were to have labeled this would have been our A. This would have been our B. Sorry, B. And then this would have been our C. Okay, so what's happening here is that you would expect to have a lower low and not a higher low. So at the moment, it's now not only breaking through this trend line, but it's just about breaking above the point of C there. So when it's broken above that C point, then you know that the trend has actually changed. It's no longer a downward trend. In fact, you would actually have technically an uptrend. You have a higher low and a higher high. So, what I always do is if I'm thinking that I'm maybe seeing a trend reversal, then what I would do is I would just check out what am I seeing on a higher time frame. So yeah, I hope you guys understand that. So if I go now to the weekly, okay, so this is where we are at the weekly. So we've had quite a strong movement down. And I do